Having ducks can be a very messy and poopy thing to have, and that's not fun. But it doesn't have to be that way. So I want to show you what I do to keep my environment around where the water is for my ducks. I have a tree company come in, they put all these wood chips down real thick. And then I put a skid down. Alright? And then I put my water down on the skids. Because we know ducks like to dig in the mud, wash their beaks, and get everything all messy and muddy, the water. So this keeps it all clean. So they can't dig in it and then get over here and wipe their mouths, their beaks and stuff off in it. And the other good benefit is that when they're in this environment, of course we all know ducks poop a lot. And so when it rains, the rain will wash all that poop down in through the mulch area in the ground, and that way the area stays clean. So now you don't have any mud to deal with, and you don't have no poop to deal with. Here's a closer look at what I'm talking about. And the other benefit, now here they like to bath. I let them bath in the water here, even though they can cross over and go to the pond. The other thing, they drink out of this. Now if I didn't have this board on here, then they would get in here, they would bath in it. So with this board going across, it keeps them from getting into the water. So they'll sit on the board and drink, but they can't actually get in the water. By putting the board across, they can't get in the water. Don't let, the mess of everyone, oh, it's muddy and all that. Don't let that get you some ducks. And do what I have done, and I think you'll enjoy your ducks, especially their eggs. All right, take care, guys.